Hi, my lovelies, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, a warm welcome. I am Shauna, but you can call me Shaunz. Thank you so much for stopping by today. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you here on my channel. Now guys, I'll be trying something for the first time. If you know me, you know I'm boring as heck when it comes on to my natural hair. I'm like the laziest natural person you probably will ever meet in your life. But I decided that it's a new year and I want to change things around a bit. I just want to, come out of my comfort zone a bit. Now, I've been researching like hair paint and stuff, and I saw quite a few and I watched a few videos and stuff like that. And I decided that I was going to go ahead and try the ORS, let me get it right, Curls Unleash Temporary Hair Makeup Wax. Now, this is a temporary hair coloring for your natural hair. Of course, I don't know if you can use it in other types of hair, but I've mostly seen naturalistas use this hair product. Now, I have decided to go ahead and try this out, guys. Let's just say I'm a little bit nervous because I've never done anything to my hair before. I mean, I've been natural for what, going on to 6 years, and I've never done anything at all to my natural hair except to, the odd curl in here, the odd twist there, the odd wash there, whatever. But nothing as dramatic as this, changing my hair color. Changing my hair color. So, I want to take you on this journey, okay? Take it from me, a scaredy cat. I don't like to change my looks so dramatically or so drastically. So, you're coming on this journey with me today, all right? So, I'm going to go ahead and try out this color. It's called Golden Bars. So I was tempted to do like a little bit of the front, but then I just thought, why just do the front, just do the back as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of my hair, you guys. Ooh, yes. So I'm going to do all of my hair. I'm going to do it today. I'm going to twist it, and then I'm going to come back within the next couple of days and let down my twist and see the results, and then I will tell you if I actually like it or if I'll actually use another color, and so on and so forth. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start this thing. I don't want this video to be too long, so let's go ahead and start applying this hair wax paint. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. I'm very nervous. I'm so nervous. Lord. Let me just go ahead and do this, okay? Keep on watching. I'm looking a bit crazy right now, but it's for a very good reason. They recommended that you wear an old t-shirt. So I'm wearing an old t-shirt. And they also recommended that you wear gloves because it actually stains. So I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on. And let me just read what it says here. Okay, so it's this one right here, guys. It's very bright, so I'll have to... Can you see it? Oh, there you go. So it's that one right there. And it's in the color Golden Bars. And it says on the direction here, wear gloves during application. Take an adequate amount of color wax to your hand, using your fingertips. Apply product to your hair, style as desired. So, my hair is looking crazy. Yes, I know. So I'm going to take one side down first. I'm going to go ahead and use my Palmer's coconut oil formula. It's the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use that as my water, and then I'm going to use a little bit of hair moisturizer on my hair just so it's not too dry. I don't know how it all works, guys. This is like trial and error, so I will learn as I go along. But some people don't use moisturizer because they reckon it gets too stiff. But I'm going to use a little bit because I don't know what to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and feel things out. Okay. Let's go. All right, so I need to take the protective covering off. I should have done that before. Okay guys, so I'm finally finished applying that hair wax paint. My hair feels a bit stiff at the moment. I don't know why it's feeling stiff, but I was told when I watch one of the tutorials that your hair will feel a bit stiff because it's wax. Okay, so this is what it's looking like at the moment. So what I'm going to do is, you know, go away for a couple of days and then come back and show you guys the finished product. Guys, I'm really scared. Thank God this is not permanent because I would freak out. But it's a change, it's something different, so you know, I'm adjusting. So yeah, this is what it's looking like at the moment. I did the back a little bigger, but it doesn't matter, it's all in, and this is what it's looking like. I look weird. But anyways guys, I'll come back to you in a couple of days and show you the final results and tell you if it's something, if I try again and if I try another color. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. What do you guys think? Yeah, I know I look weird. No makeup, face is bare, hair looks weird. It's fine. It's a part of the process. Trust the process. So I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Thanks for watching.
2 days later.
Hi guys, so I am back to do the big reveal of this color that I had put in my hair a couple of days ago. I'm nervous. Okay. So it's very dry now, I think. And this is what it's looking like. I've already done my makeup so I don't look like a big toe. So yeah, let's unravel these. Twist. Okay, I'm going to do some on camera and obviously some off camera because, you know, this, I'm trying to take them down carefully. So it might take a while. To me, it seems like the color faded a little bit. So maybe next time I'll put a little bit more so it actually pops. It looks like it's just like, you know, streaks as opposed to like a full-on color. So maybe next time I'll just use the whole tub. Who knows? My hair is a bit like stiff. Thing I don't like about this, it makes my hair really stiff, so it's kind of difficult to separate the twist, and it's left a bit of residue on my clothes and my skin. But apart from that, I absolutely love the color, you guys. Like, I'm just trying to process this, y'all. I am trying to process this color. Sorry, got a bit of lippy on my teeth. I am so trying to process this because who is this girl? Who is she? Oh, they're so stiff, like literally. I cannot pull them apart. Guys, I'm sorry if I sound a bit funny. I had a bit of a cold. Not COVID. Promise. Took a test. Okay guys, so apart from the fact that I need to probably fluff my hair out a bit, I absolutely love this color. It's very subtle. I thought it was going to be like pow, but it's very subtle. It gives my hair a nice like blonde highlights, and I am living for it, guys. Two things I want to say. First of all, I love the color, and they have a couple of other colors in their range. This ORS hair paint, and I went for golden bars, and I love the way it makes my hair look. The only thing is it made my hair a bit stiff, so it was very difficult to like unravel the twist and to kind of fluff it up because it's so stiff. But I guess after a couple of days and I've worn it in, my hair will kind of, you know, loosen up a bit. Or maybe I should use some oil, I'm not sure, but I don't want to put any oil just in case it doesn't mix well with the oil. So I'm going to leave it like it is at the moment. I could fluff it up a lot more, but it's stiff. Basically, it's quite stiff. And secondly, guys, it left a bit of residue on my clothes. Nothing that you can't dust off, so it's not a major problem. But I love this. I love the color. I mean, what am I going to call myself right now? I don't know. Drop a name down in the comments for me, guys, because I am a different person. I just love the way this looks, and I want to try other colors. If you want me to try other colors as well, go ahead and comment which color you like me to try. I'm trying to be a little bit, you know, what's the word I'm carefully looking for? I'm trying to step outside of my comfort zone this year because I'm just tired of being boring, really. So if there's any color that you think I'd rock really well, just, you know, leave it in the comment section down below. Next time I think I want to try the sort of burgundy color like this. I think that would really look nice. But I'm going to give my hair breaks. I won't do them straight back to back. So I'll give my hair breaks, and then I'll probably try different colors. But I'd like to try the burgundy, the color like this next time. So let me know if you'd like me to try this, you know, try the blue even. The blue looks good. Or the burgundy one. But guys, I'm really feeling this look. Oh, who is she? Shall I call? I'm gonna call myself Shay Shay. Or Shay. Yeah, I love it. What do you guys think? Yeah, so there you have it, guys. This is the color that it came out looking like, and I absolutely love it. I am so low energy, guys. I'm so sorry. But if you like this look, go ahead and thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, if you want to see more of these kind of videos. And of course, leave me a comment to let me know what you think about the color, and if I look good in this color, or if there's another color that you think I would rock. I like the color. As I said, it's a bit stiff, but that's fine. I'm sure it will loosen up eventually. The color is giving me life, honey. Okay, life. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried this before, or if you plan on trying it. Just let me know all that information down in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you like the look. If you like it, thumbs up, of course. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on so you never miss another upload from Shaunz World, or Shay. Yeah, call me Shay. Call me Shay now, okay? I'm Shay. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Mwah. See you soon. Bye.